Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Spice from LOL Surprise Dolls. So let's get started. To draw this cute doll, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. Then I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. Now that I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now that my eye's in, let's go ahead and spruce them up. So right on the sides right here, we're going to draw one thick lash. So come out with a curve and thicken it up and shade it in. And then let's just draw maybe two more smaller lashes right here on the sides. And same thing here. So one thick one and two smaller ones. There. So make this a little bit rounder now that I'm looking at my camera. Easy fix, right? Draw so cute eyes. Okay, so now the two huge eyes in. Let's go ahead and between the eyes, let's give her a sweet little smile. So right about here, just draw a little curve and cap it off. And then let's go ahead and we're going to surround her face. So let's come back to, let's say right here where her lashes. I'm going to come out, give myself a point. Same thing here, about right here, right next to it. And we're going to draw this huge curve. But it's very shallow curve for these LOL dolls. So it's basically kind of like around the eye almost. And then we're just going to bring it in. So I'll just find my center and say about right here. I'll give myself a point. From there, let's go ahead and connect. So it's a little bit flatter towards the bottom. And same thing here. And connect. There. Okay, so then now that I have that curve in, we need to start to draw her beautiful hair. But before I do that, let's come back over here where we started and let's pop out an ear first. So just a big curve and then two curves inside. So same thing here. Now we can go ahead and go up with this curve. We're going to go up to say about right here. Let's just bring it in a little bit. So same thing on the other side. Let's say about right here. Just easier for my hand to draw downwards on this side. So I'm just going to go from the top. And in the center is this beautiful strand of hair, right? So let's find our, let's go up about right here. Let's bring this in a little bit more. I'm going to say about right there, I'll stop, and I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And everything is going to come towards the center. So I'm going to curve down between the eyes, round off this little tip right here, and we're going to go up. And let's curve 2 times. There. So I just want to create this little shape right here for that hair. And then let's come up over here before I forget. And I'm just going to draw the brow. So it's like a very elongated teardrop shape. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see how we can uncomplicate this, right? So let's come back right here and let's go up. So same thing here, about right here. So she has this hairband with the devil horns. So let's bring this up a little bit more. If you're using a pencil, it will definitely be easier. If you're using a pencil, then just draw this head shape first and then put in the headband. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop about right here. So in this area, about right here is where I'm going to stick in these devil horns. So just draw a big curve right there. I'm still imagining that the head is coming about this shape, so that's why I'm stopping about right there. And let's just go ahead and put in this horn. Come out, round off the tip, and bring it down. So we need to draw another one right here as well. So just make sure I'm about the same level. And about right here, I'll just give myself a point. So definitely make any adjustments you need as you draw. And about right here, same thing. And once again, curve it in. Okay, so now the hardest part is done. So now we have this. Let's go ahead and we're just going to connect the head. So connect the top of the head, I mean. So about right here, go ahead and just draw a curve to connect. Okay, so now that we have that, now we have the space that we're going to work with. Let's go ahead right here. And we're just going to draw a curve right here. This is for the band, headband. So we're going to draw another curve right here as well. Then from there, let's see. Okay, so then from there, we're going to finish off this strand. I have to take a look at my reference here. And we're going to go up. And same thing here, go up. Make that a little bit rounder. And I think that is pretty much it for the head part. So then right here, let's go ahead and we're going to draw a little curve right in the center for this little ponytail she has at the top. And then let's go ahead and right here, we're just going to draw a bunch of curves to create this big mound, and the center is going to be the highest. So we're just going to go up and we can start to come down and bring it in. Then for some details, let's go ahead and we're going to draw in some curves. So I'm just going to lightly draw in some curves, and same thing here. Gives it some more detail. And right here at the top, there. Okay, finally all done. Fine with the head. And oh, before I forget, she has this little beauty mark right here, so better put that in. Now to finally draw her body. So let's come to this bottom right here. We're going to center her body right here, draw two curves, and I'm going to skip a little bit space, so kind of like where her armpit area would be, say about here and here. I'm going to draw a soft angle line down. Now that we have the two angles in, let's come back up top right here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down towards this area, to her little outfit. And then about right there is where I'm going to stop, and I'm going to draw her belt. So let's come right in the center right here. So now we know that's the belt's going to be about right here. I'm going to draw a square for the buckle right in this area. And let's go ahead and finish it off. Connect it. I'm going to pop it out a little bit and bring it in. There. And let's draw a curve right here and some circles. There. Okay, so then let's continue this down for the sides, and then we can come to the center, say about right here, give myself a little line, and we're going to connect. Then we can start to draw the legs. So we're going to come right about here. We're just going to draw 2 angle lines out and bring this in. And let's bring this in a little bit more. And let's continue this just like the other side. And about right there, I'm going to stop and cut it off right here. And let's draw her cute little boots. So let's bring this down still at an angle. But right here, I'm going to pop it out towards the center. Straighten this part out and connect. So same thing here. Down, pop it out towards the center. And connect. Then for some details, let's come to the bottom right here, and we're going to draw a curve right here to finish this off. The sole part. And 2 lines right here and 2 more, just to simplify it. If you want, you could draw a bow there as well. But keep mine a little bit simpler. There, got her boots in. And then let's come back to her arms. So we want her hands about right here. So I'm gonna come about right here and here, and in this area I'm just going to dip a little bit and then bring it in and connect. So this side has a sleeve, so we're going to connect right there, and we're just going to draw this little hand, so a little thumb and the fingers around it and bring it in. And I almost forgot, sorry, I'm going to come back right here and just draw a curve. For some details, I saw that. And so then let's draw the same thing on this side for the hand. So let's bring this down. Let's have this hand come out a little bit. So come right here, same area. And about right there, let's draw this little thumb and fingers. I'll add another little one at the back. And now let's add some details on her leggings. Since they're black stripes, I'm going to come right here and just draw some stripes across. And maybe one more. And same thing over here. There, get the stripes in her leggings. And last but not least, let's add a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Spice from LOL Surprise Dolls. And let's see if I'm missing anything. You can even add a little buckle here if you want it. A little oval part right there. So they're all done. I really hope you love how my version of Spice here turned out from LOL Surprise Dolls, and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. If I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.